Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square Invoices with no-code app automations step by step clearly. To install Square Invoices with no-code app automations, begin by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Settings menu. Under the Settings section, select Invoices. Click the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Fill in the necessary details such as customer information, line items, and payment terms. Once you've completed the invoice, save it for future use. Next, access your no-code app automation platform. Search for the integration section specifically for Square. Connect your Square account by following the on-screen prompts. Choose the event that triggers the invoice creation, such as a new order or customer sign-up. Set up the automation workflow to include the necessary fields from Square. Test the connection to ensure your Square account is properly linked. After confirming the connection, finalize and activate your automation workflow. Monitor the workflow to ensure invoices are generating correctly based on triggers. Make adjustments to the template or automation settings as needed. Review the invoices generated through your automation for accuracy. Continue refining your process to improve efficiency and accuracy in invoicing. Now you're ready to enjoy seamless Square invoice generation with no-code app automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.